Good afternoon, students. Once again, we met to our class. What we finished in our past to continue in our lesson. Today we are going to talk about same as our continue our lesson, reflection of light. Reflection of light. I think so. What we finished at yesterday, reflection. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Okay, and how it will travel. Understand? So different we discussed about. I think so. Reflection, types of reflection, how reflection takes place, what is the parameters of reflection, terms parameters means terms, incident light ray, reflected light ray, normal light ray, point of incidence, and deviation angle, how to solve the deviation angle, how to find the incident angle, reflected angle, such a like whole we discussed, and also we discussed about dancing angle. Is it? Up to that we finished it. Then right now, today we are going to talk about images. Images. Today we are going to talk about images. You know well about images, is it or not? We can look images. Images are forming by the intersection of reflected light rays, are extended reflected light rays. Images are forming by the how? Intersection of reflected light rays or extended reflected light rays. You understand? Images will form by this process. If there is a chance to ask how images will form, images are forming by the intersection of reflected light rays or extended reflected light rays. Means intersection of extended reflected light rays. Understand? Now coming to that, we'll go by some more means. These are classified two types. One is how this intersection will learn by continuation. Coming to that, we'll learn about types of images. One is we know well about in our lower class. We already studied about that. Real images are real image, and another one is a virtual image. One is real image. Another one is virtual image. Another one is virtual image. Then what is a real image? What is a real image? How the real image will form? Where the real image will form? Three types of question we have to ask. One is what is that? We are talking about images. Due to the bad network, we went to delay. Coming to that, we are going to talk about definition of images and types of images, real image, virtual image. So, what is a real image? First question is, what is a real image? See, what is a real image? The image which is formed on a screen. The image which forms on a screen. Otherwise, another type of definition. The image which captured on a screen. The image which captured on a screen. Otherwise, the image which obtained by the screen. Which obtained by, obtained means formed. The image which forms on a screen. The image which forms on a screen, that image you can call real image. Real image. The image which forms on a screen, that image is nothing as a real image. Then coming to the back, how it will form. How the real image will form. The real images are forming by the intersection of reflected light rays. The real images. The real images are forming by the intersection of reflected light rays. Reflected light rays. That is how real image will form. The real images are forming by the intersection of reflected light rays. Understand? Then where the real image will form? In our day-to-day life, where the real images are forming in our day-to-day life. I understand. Then coming to that, we'll discuss about where it will form. In our day-to-day life, we may observe by projecting movie in a theater, by projecting movies in a theater. When they are projecting movies by the theater, it will project movie on screen, glass or whatever screen. The image is forming on a screen. The image formed on a screen. Understand? In a television, TV, movie or picture plays on a screen. Plays on a screen. Understand? And also image form on screen. Then coming to that, in our olden days, cameras are having reel. Reel means negative. The image formed on a negative. By taking after, by developing the images, our photos forming on a paper, on a screen, or images are forming on a photos as a screen means paper. So where the images are forming on a screen, those images we can call the image which are forming on a screen, those images we can call real images. Real images. Then coming to the virtual image. Virtual images. First question, what is a virtual image? The image which does not form on a screen. The image which does not form on a screen. The image which does not form on a screen, those images we may call virtual images. Virtual images. What is finished? Then how the virtual images will form? How the virtual images will form? How it will form? The virtual images are forming by the intersection of what we can call here intersection of extended reflected light rays. The virtual images are forming by the intersection of extended reflected light rays. How it is forming? Intersection of extended reflected light rays. Understand? Then coming to that where, best example, when we are beauty to our face, when we are making touch up to our face, understand? When you are standing in front of the mirror, your image visible where? On the mirror or inside the mirror? On the mirror or inside the mirror? If they have any question mark, then stand right now in front of your mirror, where you are able to look your image on or inside mirror. Yes, we can get our images from the mirror. We check from inside the mirror. From inside the mirror. Where you stood in front of the mirror, our images form with the same distance at inside the mirror. Understand? So the images which are not forming on a screen. The images which are not forming on a screen. Those images we can call virtual images. Best example where it is forming mirrors. Mirrors are giving images as what? Virtual images. Virtual images. Understand? This is a clear information about images. What? There is a chance to ask the question, write the difference between real images and virtual images. Real images and virtual images. Real images and virtual images. What are the difference between real images and virtual images? Let's we make real images and virtual images. Okay, real images, virtual images. Real images, virtual images. Number one, we have to write definition. Number 1 point, definition. First is what? Definition. Before what I said to you, what? Okay. The image which forms on a screen. The image which forms on a screen is known as real image. The image which obtained by the screen. The image which is captured on a screen. Understand? Those what you can call real image. Next, there virtual images. The image which does not form on a screen. The image which does not form on a screen. Those images we can call virtual images. And second one. Second, how? Second one, how? How the real images will form, how the virtual images will form. Understand? Then coming to that, the intersection of the real images will form. The real image will form by the intersection of collision, interlock, disturbed, touching. So the real image will form by the intersection of reflected light rays. Real image is formed by intersection of reflected light rays. Reflected light rays. There, virtual images. So the virtual images are formed by intersection of extended reflected light rays. Extended reflected light rays. Extended reflected light rays. The virtual images are formed by the intersection of extended reflected light rays. Understand? Then coming to the third, how it will form, that we written for second point. Third, where it will form. Okay, where means what we can say, where the real image is formed. The image formed on screen means projectors projecting movies on a screen. Projectors, the images formed by projectors on a screen. Images captured by the camera. Images captured by camera, taken by camera. Images taken by camera. Okay, means photo developed on a screen. Photo developed on a screen. Image formed on our retina. Image formed on our retina. Retina is a screen. Okay, see there how many we can discuss in our day to day. And also, we may observe real images in our surface of utensils, kitchenware, utensils. When you are looking our face on a spoon, plate, and any kitchenware utensils, those are all our screens. Understand? So such a like we can observe. Then where virtual images will form. Best example, mirror. Mirror forms always virtual images. And where we may observe, and also rear view mirrors. Rear view mirrors. Two-wheel vehicles are having side mirrors. Those. And also we can observe where mirages. Mirages. Mirages means what? Mirages. We may observe at summer time, summer season, when you are moving on roads at noon time. We may observe there was a water droplets collected on road. When you reach there, we never get water. That is a optical illusion. Optical illusion means Brahma. But that we may call mirages. It is a virtual images. Virtual images. So where it is that. Then also next one. Next, I'm saying to you fourth one. Real image is always inverted. Real image is always inverted. And here it is erected. Erected. Inverted means suppose this is arrow mark. No. Inverted means reverse. Erected means vertical straight. And the next point we can write, to form real images, it need screen. It need screen. And here virtual image is no need screen because it is not forming on a screen. Such a like we can discuss what difference between real images and virtual images. Are you understand about that? Yes. Then when coming to that, how image formed by pinhole camera. Image formed by pinhole camera. Generally, pinhole camera made up of, we can use two PVC pipes. Two PVC pipes. Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Two PVC pipes with two different diameters, with two different sizes. Okay. This is one pipe, 1 feet pipe. Another I'm taking another size with this, which is slightly greater those, which is slightly means very fine difference. It should be flexible to place inside one each other. So that's why I'm fitting another pipe into this. Such a like. I'm going to cover outer surface with black sheet at in front also, black paper with a black cover, black paper. Okay, and I'm making a small hole. I'm making small hole at the end of the black paper. Pin-sized hole. Pin-sized hole. By making hole by pin, that much hole we are making, and this side also we are making pin size. Means this side no need to cover. And here we are covered with white paper inside at the center of the small pipe. Center of the small pipe. That information I am going to draw with the broad sheet, broad drawing. So I am going to draw. This is pin-sized hole, and this is a screen. White paper we place between that is, and this is empty surface to observe. Okay. We are observing a plant, a tree. We are observing a tree. We are observing a tree. We are going to observe a tree. Two light rays are coming from top of the tree. Then I will decrease this size. Two light rays are entered from the top of the tree. Suppose if you observe one light ray through top of the tree, another light ray from bottom of the tree. Two light rays are coming from one bottom of the tree. By bringing the images of the tree from bottom and top, it forms by that position. The tree as inverted. The tree is because of the top, the light ray which comes from top of the tree, it forms at where inside the pinhole camera down means bottom, which is coming from bottom of the tree, it forms at top. So it brings the images as inverted in by the pinhole camera. So pinhole camera forms images as an inverted. Pinhole camera forms and images are inverted. Suppose if you increase the size, of pinhole camera, if you increase the size of pinhole of the camera, what happens? It allows the multiple light rays. It allows the multiple light rays. It allows the multiple light rays. When it allows the multiple light rays, it brings multiple images of the tree. By that, what happens? The tree diagram will become blur. Tree diagram will become blur. Means it increases the size. So by increasing the size of the pinhole camera, image will become as a blur, means disturbed. Blur means disturbed. There is a chances to ask the question, by increase the size of the pinhole camera, what will happen? The image will form inverted but a blurred image, but a disturbed image it is formed by the pinhole camera. Then coming to that, how to observe the image from plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror. How image will form by a plane mirror? What type of image will form? Plane mirrors are giving what type of images? Virtual images. What are virtual images? It forms always, plane mirror forms always virtual images. Plane mirror forms always virtual images. Let's will discuss those. And also I said virtual images are forming by the intersection of extended extended reflected light rays. Let's we see that. Imagine, imagine this is a plane mirror. What I'm saying to you, plane mirror, plane mirror. I'm using a letter alphabet J. I'm using an alphabet J. Two light rays I'm talking about. Two light rays are coming from the top of the letter. So these bounce back with the same angles. Already we discussed about reflection. Two more light rays are coming from bottom of the object. Those also bounce back with the same angle. So they never met and anywhere. That's why we are going to extend the reflected light rays. These are reflected light rays. We are going to extend it. Sir? And these are reflected light rays. So I'm going to extend. But I'm going to extend the. So where they both met, there we can identify the drawing because it shows bringing back side of the letter J. See that? So we are extending dotted shape of the reflected light rays. These are imaginary lines. See that what I am talking to you, the intersection of horizon of extended reflected light. These are the reflected light rays. Those are extended towards the inside, beyond the mirror, means backside of the mirror. That is not visible. That we are imagining how to draw the image formed by the plane mirror. So by that it forms what virtual images. So because not on the screen it formed, and also we may observe what we may observe. The letter was reversed. The letter was reversed. By that what happened? So when you are raising your hand, right hand in front of the mirror, it shows as the left hand. When you are raising your left hand in front of the mirror, it shows as the right hand. Means the mirror following a specialized property is nothing as a lateral inversion. What is that? Lateral inversion means to show the opposite direction for the actual object. When you are showing left, it shows as the right. When you raise the right, it shows as the left. So the property showing opposite for the mirror showing a specialized property, lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Understand? Coming to that, plane mirrors are following same distance. Same distance. What I'm saying to you, same distance. We'll talk again about this lateral inversion with clear information. Just I'm saying to you, what are the properties following by the plane mirror? Plane mirror forms always virtual image, and it forms lateral inversion, shows opposite, right as left, left as right. About that we will talk information how lateral inversion shows with clear experimentation, and it follows the same distance. Suppose if you stood in front of the plane mirror, where you stood in front of the plane mirror, it shows, plane mirror shows same distance of the image of you. Means what is the image of you from the mirror? Same of the distance shows from the mirror to your image. Means plane mirror following means it's showing same distance and also same size. Same size. Same size means what? What is it? Is stout or lean? Stout, lean, or length, tall or short. It shows same as, it never changes. So it following what? Same size and shape. What is the shape? It shows exactly. So these are properties of the mirror, plane mirror. Just to identify that what image formed by the plane mirror with another letter, to understand clearly. I'm taking letter B. What is the letter? D. Same as two more light rays. Two light rays I'm drawing from the top of the letter B. These are incident light rays. It bounces to back. Bounce to back. These are normal. Okay. If you felt any difficult to understand these, then I will draw a line to you. Normal. Two more light rays. So this is a normal. Okay. So these are reflected light rays. That's why I'm going to extend reflected light rays. Where they both met, there we can get image. And this is a reflected light rays. This is a reflected light ray. Then there, here it met. So it brings face of those B as a reversal. So intersection of extended reflected light rays. Intersection of extended reflected light rays. By that we can get the what a visual image. And I said what it follows the lateral inversion and same distance, same size and shape. Same size and shape. By that we can identify what the image formed by the mirror and what are the characteristics of the plane mirror. What are the properties of the plane mirror. Then we will talk about lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. When you are standing in front of the plane mirror, imagine, see here, when I'm raising my hand, are you thinking about this is or this is? Yeah. Suppose imagine when you are standing in front of the plane mirror, when you stood in front of the plane mirror, when you raise your right hand, it shows, means our image is showing from the mirror as a left hand. Because of when you are raising right hand, the light rays are coming from the right side of the ear to right side of the hand to the mirror. When these light rays are coming to the plane mirror to obstruct to the plane mirror, then it bounces to back by this direction. Means from this right here, the light rays are coming. Then by what angle it is incident on the plane mirror, with that same angle, the incident light ray should bounce back as a reflection. Understand? With the same angle. So by that what happened? Due to the reflection, already we discussed, due to the reflection only we are getting images. So when reflection taking backwards, the image bringing there to the left ear, to the left eye, means the right hand appears as what? Left. When left hand is right as what happens? The light rays are coming from this side and bounce back this side. By that what happens? The left eye appears as a right from the mirror. So that is the lateral inversion to identify the image formed by plane mirror. This is the axiomatization process. It's clear. Understand? Then one more we have to talk about angle of vision. Angle of vision. Angle of vision. How? What is that angle of vision? Look once, this is a duster. When duster comes close to you, what happens? When it comes close to you, it becomes bigger size or not? Yes, of course, or not. When it moves away from you, it shows smaller size. When you test with your book in front of the plane mirror, tell to your sister or brother, your parent to observe the book. You should not depend. Who are observer, it is important. Who are observer important. Then otherwise you observe and tell to your parents or sisters and brothers to adjust the what book in front of the mirror, to come first close to the mirror and then to move away from the mirror. We have to observe from a fixed position from the mirror, by an angle. You have to observe from fixed position. By this it is moving, and from here we are observing. We have to settle in a fixed position. Tell to your who are adjusting your book from close and far, close and far. A book is coming closer to you, mirror, closer to the mirror. We may observe the book was increased the size. Book is increasing the size. When the book is moving away from the mirror, what happened? Book is moving from mirror, it becomes as a smaller. Depend on the observer. Depend on the observer angle of the mirror, what happened? The size of the book is changed. Understand? Before I said plane mirrors are showing same size and same distance from actual position. But due to the observer angle, what happened? The book changes the size. So when it comes closer, the angle is increased. So book size is increased. When it moves far, the angle is decreased. So image size is decreased. Understand? By the observer angle only, the size will be changes of any object from the mirror. But it follows always same size and same distance, same shape and same size, and also same distance, and lateral inversion from the plane mirror. Then that is a clear information about what plane mirrors. Then you may observe in saloon shop. Otherwise, try in your home. Try to in your home. When two mirrors are placing parallel to each other. Two mirrors are placing parallel to each other. How like? Like these are mirrors facing each other. Facing each other with a part of fixed distance. An object is placed. An object is placed. An object is placed at what O. An object is placed at O between the two mirrors. Between the two mirrors. From first mirror, this is a mirror 1. This is a mirror 2. Mirror 1, mirror 2. See here, from here, mirror 1 to object distance, I'm saying to you, this is a 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. From object to mirror 2 is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. So see there, plane mirrors, if they are in parallel, it forms infinity images. It forms infinity images. The plane mirrors which are placed in parallel, it makes infinity images. That's why I'm saying, if you have any experience with saloon shop is barber shop, cutting shop, you may observe multiple images forming by the mirrors. Understand? Multiple images forming by the mirrors. So that's now we are observing how images will form. Now first, image of the object forming in the M1 mirror. So I said it is for plane mirror following same size, no? Same distance, same size. So that's why first image from the mirror 1. So object. So what is the distance? 5 centimeter from the plane mirror. 5 centimeter. So what happened here? Mirror 1. Mirror 1. Object means image 1. Mirror 1. Image 1. How much? 5 centimeter. Understand? Then coming to that, same as this side, mirror 2, image is forming with the same distance. How much? 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Mirror 2. What happened? This is this side also. This is image 1 only, no? Image 1. Image 1. Understand? Or understand or not? M2. Otherwise, if you are confusing, I will say to you, mirror 2, what? First image. Here, mirror 1, first image. Mirror 1, first image. Mirror 2, first image. Now, we are going to talk about mirror 1, second image. Mirror 1, second image. Second image means, in this mirror, what happened? In this mirror, this image should form here. In this mirror, that image should form here. Is it or not? First we formed this object images, distance same. Then that image to form in this mirror. How like, what is the total distance? 8. 8, 5. Total how much? 8, 8, 16 and 5. 8, 8, 16, 8, 8, 16 and 5. 21. So what is the next image distance? 21 centimeters mirror to second image. It is coming from where? This is mirror 1, second image. It is came from where? From M21. The image came from M21. Okay, now I'm going to again. This image should form in that. This image should form in that, means this is 5 and this is 5 and this is 8. 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. So we have to identify what? 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter mirror to second image. Mirror to second image. Mirror to second image. But from where? It came from mirror 1 second image. Sorry, mirror 1 first image. Came from where? Mirror 1 first image. Mirror 1 first image. Now again, see there, that a second image should form again in this. This second image should form again in that. That second image should form in that. This second image should form in that. That second image, 18, 18, 8, 5. 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8. How much? 20. Yes, 26. 26 plus 5, 31. So here M1 third image is a 31 centimeter. M1 third one is a 31 centimeter. It came from M2 second image. Then again, this second image should go there. 21, 5, 8, 1 and 8, 29, 5, 34 centimeter. M2 third image, 34 centimeter came from M1 second image. M1 second image. Such like we can compare the image to form from one mirror to another image. The image forming from one mirror to another image. Understand? That is the general information to form images from the plane mirror. Are you clear about that? Then this is our today topic. The image is formed, how it will form by the reflection and from the plane mirror, properties of the plane mirror. Those we learn today in this. Then next tomorrow, what is going to talk, then we will discuss the new topics to understand clear information. Those shadows, how shadows will form. Those we'll learn again. Means we'll learn about shadows. And also, I said where real, where virtual. Now we discussed up to plane only, no plane surface only. Then we'll go for next curved surfaces. Okay. See you in later. Means see you in next class.